Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 3, Pairs of Linear Equation in Two Variable, Example 2. Graphically, find whether the following pair of equation has no solution, unique solution or infinitely many solution. We need to find whether it has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions. Okay. First, given. First equation is in the standard form. Plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Second equation is in a fraction. Okay. We will write. We will write the equation as such given in the question. Okay. Second equation. Therefore, we will multiply the second equation by the common denominator 5. Second equation into 5, which gives 15x minus 24y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay. And there is 3 as a common value. Therefore, we will divide the second equation by 3 now, which is 5x minus 8y plus, which is 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, now the equation 1 and 2 are same. After performing the operation in equation 2, it gets the same equation as 1. Therefore, 1 and 2 coincides. Therefore, this equation will have infinitely many solutions. Okay. The first equation, second equation, we have 5. Therefore, we multiplied by 5. Next, we get 3 as a common value. Therefore, divided by 3. Therefore, the equation 1 and 2. This is the updated second equation. Therefore, 1 and 2 are same and coincident. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions. Okay. As the values will be same, they will be in the same line. Equation 1 and equation 2 will be in same line. Therefore, it is an infinitely many solution. Okay. Thank you.